Music is my craft. There's something about performing live that's just such a good release of energy, and it just feels really good to do a show and know that I've done a good job. I grew up in a seaside town in Devon. There wasn't really that much of a music scene. There just wasn't the support that I needed there to be able to do what I personally wanted to do. I feel like I belong in Cardiff because there's just so many cool people everywhere. Womanby Street is the music street. It's just completely filled with music venues, and I spend a lot of time on that street. I work behind the bar at the Moon. It means that I get paid to watch bands. It's been cool really submerging myself in the scene. The biggest benefit of being a band at USW is the facilities. Terrapins formed in the first year of uni. We just started writing and rehearsing, and the uni's been really supportive, and it's really helpful because we can come and practice whenever we want. And if you say we won't wanna break, I'm gonna blow my brains out all over the floor. The tutors are so lovely. They're always really up for whatever we're doing. There's a lot of collaboration between courses. There's a student on music business who we've adopted as our manager. We've just released a single, and the artwork for that was made by someone who's on the advertising course. Our first ever headline show was at the Moon. We pretty much sold it out. It was honestly just such a buzz coming off stage. It was so cool. I definitely felt like the hard work had paid off. This doesn't just have to be a hobby. This can be my job and my life.